Hello everyone, this is my review of the Ryobi compact brushless circular saw. This saw is battery powered, so you don't have to worry about tripping over a cord. It's pretty lightweight and cuts really good, beautifully. I like to use it for my projects around the house. You can adjust the angle and the depth of cut. It's a pretty powerful saw and the battery lasts a long time. It has 2 grips holes, so you can hold it with 2 hands so you can stabilize your cutting. The battery goes in back there. The trigger has a locking feature as well, so you don't accidentally turn it on. So let me show you what it's like with the battery in. Alright, the battery is in, so let's turn this sucker on. You can see it's pretty powerful, and it cuts like butter, at least when you have a pretty sharp blade. I hope this review helps.